Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a giveaway that I received from Simply Me. Go check out her channel. She has some amazing designs, and I was just so excited that I won this giveaway. I didn't even think that would happen, but I got some really cool stuff that I'm dying to try. So the first item here is this Beetles extension kit, and I've never, as you see in my previous videos, I've always used Jellish products, and I did try out a Model Ones product once. My good friend wanted me to do a product review because she was thinking about getting it. So I tried it out, but that's as far as it goes. So I'm really excited receiving this because this is definitely opening new doors for me. Like I just I'm so used to using what I always use. So now it's like, oh, what am I going to do with all this stuff? So opening the box, it comes with a nice manual, very cool. It's gonna give me some ideas for the contents within this box. I have a top coat here, and I'm just gonna check the consistency. Now, since I love Jellish so much, it's good to always compare what you like to use, and it actually almost has the consistency of Model 1's top coat, but I actually like that. So Jellish has a thin consistency, but I like using those for designs that I don't want a bulky feel to it, but I do like to have Model 1s or even this one with a thick looking consistency because it also helps if I'm putting on some nail decals or rhinestones. And this is their Polygel. I'm not going to open every single one. I just opened this one, and I wanted to see what the thickness was for this. As you know, I like my Jellish Polygels, and I can tell you that this is a lot less firm than the Jellish Polygel. So I'm not too sure how I'm going to like that, but I'll tell you also that I think that the consistency of that Polygel is a lot thicker than the Model 1s, so I'm definitely probably going to like that. So removing the top layer here, we have some stickers, and it's going to be so cool using those. I don't use stickers as much, so we're going to see how that goes. And these are dual forms here. If you check out the product review for that Model 1's kit, I struggled with it. So we'll see. I mean, like I said, the consistency is thicker, so I think that that dual form is going to stay put as opposed to the Model 1s did. But we'll see. And I love that I get a nail file. I could always use nail files. And they have slip solution in a nail bottle. That's a first for me. Model 1s came with a little vial. This comes in an actually nail polish bottle. So I don't know, as you saw my previous video, I have slip solution from Jellish, and that was a liquid base. So we'll see how it goes using this. I'm going to do another video trying to utilize as many of the items that I have here. This is the slip solution that I got for the Model 1's kit, and it's liquidy, but not as liquidy as the Jellish slip solution. But see, it's a little goopy, and I'm not a fan of that. So we'll see, because Beetles came with a nail polish bottle slip solution, so that's different. And here is the slip solution from Jellish. If you hadn't seen it yesterday, it smells wonderful, and it's a liquid base, and it evaporates over time. And these are some nice charms. I love to use my charms, and these are definitely different from what I normally use, so I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with them. Again, like I said, I'm going to put out a video of me trying to utilize as much as that's in this box here. So this is I guess like a base nail polish, and it's a little liquidy. The Model One's one is a little bit thicker, and that I like too. I like to have a nice thick base coat. And then I'm going to show you this. This is the Jellish Foundation Gel. It's a lot thicker than the other two, and I love this so much that I rarely use it because I am running out. But see, it's very thick. It comes with a tiny brush in there. And base coats are a big deal. You know, it definitely sets the foundation of your design. And sometimes, depending on what you're doing, it's a good thing to start with. So this here, I guess, is like a rhinestone glue. And as you know, I love my gummy jelly by Enailcouture, but we're gonna see. I'm interested in this squeeze bottle because I like to have that kind of an application. With the gummy jelly, I have to pull out a brush and scoop up how much I want. I mean, at least this I can kind of control it and make a micro dot if I need it, as opposed to just slathering on the gummy jelly like I do with Enailcouture. But we'll see how that goes. And I just want to show you what I use. I use it so much that it's running out. But it goes a long way. So I was going to buy another gummy jelly and shiny, but I don't need to do that yet. I still have a decent amount to do a lot more designs. It goes a long way. And the last bit of this Beetles box here is, I'm guessing, the brush. And like the Jellish Polygel brush, it comes in the same container. This one actually has a hard cover for both the stick end and the brush end. So I thought that was kind of cool. Their little plastic bottle though just didn't come together, so that's a little concerning, because as you seen in my last video, I like to keep my brushes in the original containers. And this brush wasn't as stiff, so there's probably less product that I gotta worry about later. You definitely want to remove that powder stuff on the brush before you use it. Not going to put that plastic back on, but I'm definitely going to put the hard cover back on. And this is the spatula side. I am not too fond of this spatula size because it's shorter and it doesn't flex. And I like to have that flex because I feel like it gives it a nice gentle touch. You know, especially if you're trying to direct polygel in a certain area and you don't want to just shellac it on the whole nail. You can see the difference here. Plus, I find that especially like using detail brushes, I feel like the longer the bristle, in this case, the longer the spatula, like I said, it gives it like a light touch. So I can apply as much pressure as I need at the handle of this brush here, but it's not going to totally squish it at the end of that tip because the spatula is so long. But I'll end up using this for the video when I use this kit, so we're gonna see how that goes. But that's pretty much it for this box. So I also got this DIY go the applicator for the 1, 2, 3 go nails, which is so good that I got this. I mean, again, Simply Me, check her channel out. She had so much stuff in this giveaway. It was just amazing. And I've always wanted to try these nails. So, and I like the gummy jelly and shiny from Enailcouture, so I can only imagine that their other products are just as good. And I like that it comes in a tube too. For the soft gel tips from Jellish, it comes in a bottle, so I have to kind of brush the bottle off in that soft gel tip. So this one has a squeeze bottle. It also came with the Enailcouture 5X nails. I'm excited to use these because when I saw the giveaway video, she was talking about this and she was like, "Oh, maybe, people don't like the length. You can cut it down." But I'm like, "Yeah, I like the length. I'm totally gonna use them." The longest soft gel tip from Jellish, as you can see on my left hand, is that's how long it gets, as I'm showing you right now. So the fact that I can use these long stinking nails, I'm like so excited. In fact, my first video after my unboxings is going to be a week or two, I'm not too sure, of long nails. So I'm gonna be excited to show you that video, and we'll see how my life goes for a week or two. But this was actually the item that I was really excited about using. So I'm glad that it comes with the applicator gel, and we'll find out what happens. So the last item we have here is this lamp. It's a very pretty lamp, and I love how it has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60, and 90. So the Jellish 18, wow, I can't even remember what it's called, but the LED lamp that I have from Jellish only comes in 30 and 60. So I have to press that sucker a bunch of times and it gets a little annoying. Oh, no, no, no. It comes in, I think, 10, 30, and 60. But that 90 option, very well done there, because sometimes I have to like end up curing it more than 60 seconds, especially some polygels for some reason under nail forms take longer to cure. So excited about that. It's insane. This was like a crazy giveaway, and I really appreciate it, and I feel so lucky that I won, so thank you so much, Simply Me. Check her channel out. She has some really amazing designs, and no wonder, because she's using all these amazing products. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and join me next time when I show you the 5XL nails that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be insane. At any rate, see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.